Hey guys and girls, it's Liam here from Tent World up in Townsville, here today to show you around the Yeti V-Series Esky. Now this one combines two of the biggest things that Yeti have brought out, the vacuum insulation of their drinkware and the permafrost insulation of the Tundra coolers. It adds both of those into one. Now this is going to give you the best ice retention that science can possibly allow. Now it's got a full stainless steel body along with aluminium hinges on the back and then stainless steel handles and a full stainless steel clip at the front. Now with a 70 litre capacity, this one's going to be perfect for your next trip. And with that full stainless steel body I was talking about before, it's rugged enough to go anywhere you can take it. This one comes with a couple of extras, including the Yeti V-Series owner kit with all the tips and tricks you need to keep your ice in there for as long as possible and general maintenance on your esky. If you're a sticker freak like me, it also comes with a Yeti sticker, like the majority of their products as well. The V-Series esky as well, different to the rest of the Tundra cooler range, comes with its own protective cover with the nice Yeti logo straight on the top. So with this one, all it is, once you've got your esky locked up, now this cover's on, it's going to protect that stainless steel body from any scratches, dents or marks while you're traveling. Awesome for when you're throwing this one just straight in the back of the ute and you've got a lot of other gear there rolling around. Now unfortunately with the cover for this one, you can't actually open the lid while it's on. So if you're looking to get in, you just have to slide that cover straight off the top, grab the quick release hinge on the front, and there you are, you're straight back into it. These ones are rolled out in all of our shops nationwide and at our online store, so jump to the website or come and see us and grab yours today. And as always, happy camping.